Hello everyone, this is Rahul from OPUS. Here we are going to solve this question which asks for draw a snake about to bite. So first we will try to draw the body of the snake, which is mostly in a form of a coil like this. And give that indication of that coiled figure wherever possible. Then you can give make the structure of the mouth in a rough manner first. So suppose this is the general outline of the mouth, like an open mouth. So you will get the structure first. All right, then we can slowly start developing the internal figures. Suppose this is the eyes, okay, and the expression of which, like, it is about to bite. Okay, so here you can give little indication of the mouth, and we can then you can come to the draw the teeth, which ejects the venom, okay, and give rough indication of the how the scale looks like. All right, so this is the inside of the mouth, and that is how it is structured from inside. All right, after that, when you get this, you can start adding a certain amount of shades here to give the indication like it is inside, and there is something dark inside of the mouth is dark. Okay, then we can go for the certain section that shall come out, like the teeth and certain parts of the mouth in this way. And then you can go for the other texturing, and this will give some added like the emphasis that shall be given to that mouth structure. So once you have this much, then you can shade the body like this. Okay, you can give some shades here, since it's a structure, cylindrical structure. So the part which is away can be drawn like this. And then you can give the scales, the texture, of the snake's body. So which is at the back there, you can just give some rough indication that it is also structured like this. Okay, So you have to compose accordingly. So after you have this, then you can give certain highlights. In this way. So you see the scales are coming out. So you can always do this, bring this kind of effects with the help of an eraser. So after this, you can use to give some final touches to the face, which is the most important. So as you see, we have this So I hope you understood how to solve questions like this. Keep practicing like this. Thank you.